Hey everyone, Brett Gurney here with BrettGurney.com. Why people quit MLM companies and why they quit you. There's a lot of reasons. Some are avoidable, some are not. And the thing is that this stuff was easy. If it was easy, we'd all be rich, right? A lot of us are very, very familiar with the attrition in this industry. And a lot of it can't be avoided. It's just the way that it is. The number one point I have here is to provide team training and support. They just need to know that somebody's going to be available for them. If they need to ask a question, that somebody's going to be there. They're going to pick up the phone. They're going to answer their phone. They're going to answer their email. They're going to reply to their emails. And another great way to keep people in the know, if you will, and provide support is to have a community. A room or a Facebook groups work really well for this. A place where other members on the team can congregate. It's just a great way to keep people engaged. Okay, the next point. Keep recruiting. What's the best thing you can do after recruiting someone? Go get another one. It is important to continue to keep recruiting. It also leads by example. You do also have to maintain or go into manager mode to help your group, but you don't want to completely switch over ever. You want to continue to lead by example. You want your people to go out and promote, recruit. You need to do the same thing and kind of show them the way a little bit. The next point, don't tell people it's easy. And that is a big one. Be honest, make sure they know what's involved, what it takes. Too many times people get brought in on false promises and then they get mad because they realize that it's not what they thought it would be or what they told it was to be. To be honest with people. This is network marketing, and network marketing is not simple. They're going to quit. They might not want to hear that it's hard work, but the ones that hear that and then come in anyway, those are the ones that you want. Okay, the next point. Social challenges will cause new people to quit. Negative friends and family members will cause doubts and deflate confidence. I'm sure that we all know about this. People from other companies will intervene and say things. News channels and media who don't get the business model sometimes will spread horror stories about MLM. You've heard them all, and scare new people. So social challenges will cause new people to quit, but you can offset that a lot. The next point is if you don't have a good product, people are going to quit. The best sign of a company that is going to sustain longevity with a solid foundation that's going to make it is a company that has a product that people would buy regardless of whether there was an opportunity or not. Sure, because sometimes we just never know why people quit and expect it. If you expect it, you won't be freaked out over it because it can damage a person who's building a business if they let it. They expect it because it'll happen. And then, there's a saying that I like, that says your studs, a lot of times, your studs will be duds and your duds will be studs. In other words, all you can do is provide the leadership and the guidance and the things that I just talked about. And if you do that, that's all you can do. And then you've given people a good opportunity, a good company with a good product. You've provided the leadership and the guidance and the community support. And you found out their why so that you can remind them when they get frustrated of why they're doing this. And all these things that if that's what you're doing, if you're doing that, then you're being a leader. You're doing what you can, and not everybody is going to go with it and run with it. They're just not. So don't let it discourage you. You just go on to the next person who will appreciate your leadership and what you have to offer. So